In this video, we're going to be looking at calculating a nominal interest rate. We're told that when we have a nominal interest rate converted semi-annually, $1,000 invested now and $1,500 invested after the end of the first year accumulates to $2,600 at the end of the second year. And we're being asked to calculate the value of that nominal interest rate, the I2. Okay, so first, let's just write x is equal to 1 plus I, where I is your annual effective interest rate. And I'm only writing it as x just for ease of notation here. The $1,000 accumulates for 2 years. The $1,500 accumulates for 1 year. When we total those two things together, we're supposed to get $2,600. Again, the x is 1 plus I here, so that, like I said, it was just for ease of notation. That gives us the accumulated value on the left-hand side has to equal that 2,600 on the right. All right, so this gives us an equation to solve. We'll move the 2,600 over to the other side, and again, for simplicity's sake, let's just divide both sides by 100. Use our quadratic formula here. When we use the quadratic formula, we get negative 2.52 or 1.028 for x. Well, certainly 1,000 and 1,500 is less than the 2,600, so we actually had to have positive interest here to accumulate to that value. So the negative value doesn't make any sense here for x. All right, so we get our x, or our 1 plus I, is 1.028. So that would tell us that the effective interest rate would be 2.83-ish%. Okay, but notice the problem's not asking us for that, it's asking us for the nominal interest rate. So we set up an equation here to figure out what the nominal interest rate that corresponds to that effective interest rate. If we take the nominal interest rate convertible semi-annually over that course of that year, these two accumulation factors have to be equal. This gives us a relatively straightforward equation to solve for I2, and we end up with a nominal interest rate convertible semi-annually of 2.814%.